What's up guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial we are talking about Temu mobile app and how to add an address, so make sure to stay until the end of the video and find out the answers for all of your problems. So before we move on, it would mean a lot if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you make sure you stay alerted whenever we post another tutorial. So guys, let's just say you need to add a new address on Temu mobile app. So why adding an address is a good thing? Basically, when you add a default address to your Temu account, basically that address is where you're gonna receive your items and products you bought. So quite an easy process. I'm gonna show it to you step by step. So let's just say you need to add a new address, you moved or whatsoever, you change the address. So how to add an address to Temu? So what you want to do is go to the bottom bottom section of your screen in the U option. Then by pressing on new option, as you can see, loads and loads of new options appear. You need to go to the third from the bottom option where it says addresses, and as you can see mine is empty, so add a new address. So basically what requires is country and region. You say where you're from, then your first name, last name, street address. Then we are having apartment, unit, building, floor, room, and etc. So if you live in a house, make sure to type in house. If you live in apartment building, make sure to place a building number, floor, and the basically your apartment number or whatsoever. Then we are having postcode, then we are having town and city, and so on and so forth. We are having county and the phone number. So phone number, country, town, postcode, street, last and first name, and country and region are a must placements. So basically you only thing you don't need to enter is apartment, unit, building, and so on and so forth. So basically you need to you can agree to receive special events, exclusive discounts, buy more by SMS. So guys, hopefully this helped you a bit. This is how you add an address to Temu. So thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.